If there is one thing that sets Jowai town in the West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya apart, it is the unique and inclusive celebration of New Year. The festivities kicked off with the New Year's Eve bonfire on the night of December 31st. Members of the localities known as Dong or Shnong gathered in large numbers at a designated location where the bonfire is ignited. The festivities continue until midnight, when some return home to continue celebrating with their families and friends, while others also preparing for the grand event the following day. The second part of this celebration takes place on the first day of the year, where people from different localities gather at a designated location and prepare for the magnificent community feast known as Bambo Kutsnem.